Hello students, let us discuss what is a lens and what are the different types of lenses. So lens is, what is a lens? When we say a lens, it is not necessary that it is made up of glass. It can be made up of any transparent material, but basic definition of lens is any given surface, any given space which is bounded by two surfaces, of which at least one surface must be curved. So that is the meaning of lens. This is space, transparent medium, which is bounded by two curved surfaces, or any, at least out of these two surfaces, one surface will be curved, the other one may be curved or may be plane. So when a given region of medium is bounded by two surfaces, that is called a lens. And you must take it to notice that out of the two surfaces, both the surfaces cannot be plane. At least out of these two surfaces, one must be curved. So definition is, then it is called as a lens. Let us see how and how lens is formed. Suppose that this is these are the two curved surfaces which binds a medium. Suppose this is glass. So if a glass is given this shape, then this becomes a lens. This is surface number 1. This is surface number 2. I can have like this. Now here the surface 1 and here is the surface 2. Here both the surfaces are curved. Here this surface is plane and this surface is curved. You cannot have, so these are lenses. This medium can be any transparent material. It can be glass. It's a medium which is bounded by the two surfaces. So this given space of transparent medium, this can be glass, this can be water, this can be plastic, or anything you like. Okay, so and if I have two surfaces plane and I bind the medium, then this is not a lens, because this surface and this surface, both the surfaces are plane. So it is not a lens. So out of these two surfaces, one must be curved. Okay, that is the definition of lens. Now let us discuss the types of lenses. So when you talk about the types of lenses, now basically we're concerned with the convex and concave type of lenses. So lenses are basically divided into convex and concave type. So one is convex lens. Sometimes it is called converging lens. Another type is concave lens. It is called diverging lens. Now under concave lens or convex lens, we will have different types of categories that we will discuss. Let us first take this convex lens. In convex lens, depending on the nature of surfaces, I can have a combination of both curve or one curve and one plane surface. So I have a surface like this. It's possible that both the surfaces are curved. I can have a situation like one surface is plane, another is curved. If I draw this first one curved and the second one flat, I can have a different radius of curvature. I can have different radius of curvature. Now, in this case, both the surfaces curved is called double convex. This one is called double convex. Both the sides are convex. Both the sides are curved. I can have a situation like this. This is called plano convex. One side is plane, the other side is curved, so it is called plano convex. This is also plano convex. Both are the same planes, whether you place this surface towards left or this surface towards right, it means the same thing. Here, this is also a double convex. Generally, the double convex or only we call it convex lens. So when you say that it is a convex lens, so always we all mean by that. What you mean by that is it is double convex. This is also double convex. Now there can be a situation like you have a surface like this and then like this. Okay, so it is a, this is also possible. This is one type of surface. This is called concavo convex. This type of lens is called concavo convex. Means you have both type of surfaces are there. Here the light is if it comes like that, this is behaves like a convex surface. If light falls from this side, this also behaves like a convex surface. So both surfaces are convex here. So this is double convex. This is also convex. This is also convex. For here, this is a convex, and so this is a convex and this is a concave. So this is concave side. So this one is concave, and this is convex. So therefore, the name concavo convex. So out of which one side is concave, other side is convex. Now, if I talk about this one, concave lens, we will also have both sides concave like that. This lens is double concave. So this is double concave or doubly concave. So this is double concave. Both sides are concave. Light comes from here. This is also a concave side. If light falls from this side, this also behaves like a concave side. It's a cave over here. So it is a double concave lens. Similarly, if I cut it from the middle straight, then I have a situation like this. This type of situation. So this is a plano concave lens. This is plano concave lens. If I keep this side towards left and this side towards right, then also it means the same thing. Now, I can have a situation where I will have this sides convex or concave. This side is like this, and this side is like that. Okay, this is basically the diagram of convexo concave would be something like this, and for concave or convex it will be something like this. It will be something like that. Here that will be very less. So this diagram is just the opposite, but you can say, because here you can see this is wider and this is a minimum. So this is more like concave or convex, and this diagram is more like convex or concave. This is more like concave mirror, and this is more like convex mirror. So you can reverse the diagram because of this. So you can see here the convex lens is fat over here and very thin at this point, as you move from the pole towards the optical center towards the edge, the thickness will decrease. But it is just the reverse case in case of a concave lens. Here it is thin. As you move up, it will gradually increase. So I will have better preferred this diagram for convex. So concave, and this diagram for concave or convex. So you can just reverse the diagram. Okay. Now, so these are the types of lenses. Now we will discuss some interesting point in our next videos, that how to find the power of a lens. Then we'll discuss about the conjugate foci method. So for the time being, for this video, that's all. Thank you very much.